Welcome to this 10-minute guided gratitude meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment and prepare to focus on gratitude. Begin by centering yourself with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Hold for a moment and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this deep rhythmic breathing, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Shift your attention to your body. Feel the connection between your body and the surface supporting you. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to relax. Starting from your feet, move your awareness up to your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, neck, and head. Let each part of your body relax and become heavy. Bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. It could be a person, a place, an experience, or even a simple moment of joy. Focus on this feeling of gratitude and let it fill your heart. Visualize this gratitude as a warm, glowing light that spreads throughout your body, bringing a sense of peace and happiness. Expand your gratitude to include more aspects of your life. Think of other people, experiences, or things that bring you joy and appreciation. Allow your heart to open wide, embracing all of the positive energy and love that surrounds you. Feel the warmth of gratitude growing stronger with each breath. Take a moment to silently express your gratitude. You can say thank you or simply acknowledge the positive impact these people or experiences have had on your life. Imagine sending out waves of gratitude and positivity to the universe, knowing that your appreciation contributes to the greater good. Notice how this gratitude makes you feel. Feel the lightness in your heart, the peace in your mind, and the relaxation in your body. Allow these positive feelings to wash over you, knowing that you can return to this state of gratitude whenever you need to. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of gratitude and positivity with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation.